Number 11. A block of mass m is initially moving on rough surface inclined at angle z theta above the horizontal, as shown in Figure 1. Figure 2 shows the four forces acting on the block. Which of the following best describes the motion of the block at the moment shown in the figure? The first thing to take into consideration here is that the motion is determined by the direction of the velocity, so the object is definitely moving down the slope. However, the change in velocity is determined by the net force, and that net force is up the slope. Therefore, what we have here is that the object has a downward velocity that is decreasing. That implies that the block is moving down the incline and slowing down, which is option E.